Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up shortcut to mute all sounds function using our volume up and down buttons in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. To set up the shortcut we have to go to settings, of course, then we are looking for accessibility functions here, and under advanced settings we have a few options. We are interested in volume up and down buttons here. So now we have this shortcut here, but we don't want it. We want mute all sounds. So let's see if it's working. Volume up and volume down. Hold for 3 seconds. As you can see, our mute all sounds is off. So our shortcut is set up. And now mute all sounds is on again. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.